Consistency is key when it comes to darkening your hair. Can you see how dark my hair is in this video? That's as a result of my consistent use of Ayurvedic products. I have been consistent for over 7 years now. Look at the thickness, look at the volume, look at the health. Everything is on point. You can't just start using Ayurveda today and tomorrow you're already tired, or tomorrow you say you're not seeing results and you dump it. You have to be consistent. Someone asked me the other day, Dima, what kind of dye do you use in your hair? I don't use dyes. That is why some of you message me or you send me messages and call me the queen of hibiscus. That is the work of hibiscus and other herbs that I use in my hair. For your hair to be this healthy, you have to be consistent with Ayurveda. If I stop using Ayurveda today, let me tell you something. I'm sure some of you had already seen my comparison when I compared my relaxed hair with my 7 years relaxed hair with my 7 years of natural hair. You could see the difference. You could see that my hair was very limp. My hair will go from thick to limp if I stop using Ayurveda. Ayurveda makes my hair what it is today. Ayurveda is very, very helpful, especially to my hair. I have fine natural hair, and I keep on telling you guys, I've got fine natural hair, and my hair is low in porosity. So Ayurveda gives my hair this strength, this toughness it needs to withstand shedding and breakage. My hair barely sheds. Just as you see me hydrating my hair with this herbal spray, that's how I have been consistently doing this for 7 years. So you have to be consistent. You can't just use today and not use tomorrow. No, especially if you're using the herbal spray, you have to use it 2 to 3 times a week, because too much of it can make your hair dry out. And that is why some of you complain that your hair is drying out, especially those of you that don't use leave-in conditioner. So when I spray my hair like this, know that I'm just spraying it on camera because that's what we are talking about. We are talking about herbal spray. So outside the camera, I will use my leave-in conditioner and then seal it. So that's how you should use your herbal spray. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the potent herbal sprays I think you should try. I think you should be consistent with. If you're confused, you don't know the one to start with, kindly start with this one. The first is 1 tablespoon of cloves. Second ingredient is rosemary. I'm using the dried version. Dried rosemary leaves in 1 tablespoon. Please don't be fooled with this my plates. These plates are actually little. In real life, they are very small. They are not as big as you're seeing it on the screen. So it's actually 1 tablespoon each of the ingredients that are inside. So next is moringa powder. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of that. So if you want to know the benefits of all the herbs that I use in this video, kindly do your research on Google. Type it on Google. You will read extensively on how amazing these herbs are. I proceeded to adding 500 ml worth of hot water to all the ingredients contained in my jar. Next up is to steep. We are steeping for 12 hours. Guys, I've got a reason why I steep for 12 hours. I don't steep overnight, else this is going to ferment and you don't want it to ferment. Once herbal ingredients like this ferment, let me tell you what happens. It's not that it's going to be bad, but it's going to add protein to it. So instead of you getting minimal protein into your hair from the hairs, because most of the hairs contains protein, so you're going to be getting loads and loads of protein in those herbs. So when you apply it to your hair, it might damage your hair because you might run into protein overload. So that is why you don't need to steep herbs for longer than 24 hours, for 24 hours I mean to say. So nothing more than 12 hours. 8 to 12 hours is just fine. I see most of you steeping herbs overnight. 6. When it doesn't work for you, you say, these people, it's just genetics that is growing their hair. Their hair is just genetics. Their family, they've got hair. It's not this herbal products that she's using that is working for her. One person just told me, Dima, stop deceiving people. You use supplements. You use collagen. Yes, I sell and use collagen once in a while. Could you believe that for the past 2 years I've not used collagen? I've not taken any collagen supplement. I even shared it on this channel to start with, because I don't hide anything I use in my hair. So I shared it on this channel. So how many persons that are using collagen have got the kind of hair that I have? So there is more to that. So take good care of your hair and every other thing will follow. So I added a few drops of peppermint essential oil, just 5 drops of that. Whenever you make herbal spray like this, make sure to add essential oil. Essential oil is going to help with the smell, sleep, and also to help the spray to be more potent. That's the work of essential oil. Shake it up very well. Use it in your hair as a leave-in spray. You can use it as a rinse out. I love to use mine as a leave-in and also a rinse out. It's not every day that I wash my hair, so I use it as a leave-in most of the time. I just hope you understand. So when I spray from roots to tips, and then I work that in, then I apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I seal with a sealant, probably hair butter, hair pomade, hair grease. I love to use hair grease. Ever since I tried hair grease, I got hooked. Let me know in the comment section, do you prefer hair butter or hair grease? There is this hair butter they call it anhydrous or hydrous hair butter. Those ones that they use water to make, distilled water to make, I don't think they can seal in your moisture better than the ones that have got the oil, like the anhydrous ones, the ones without water. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you prefer grease or hair butter? Let me know all of that in the comment section. So after applying this on your hair, do not skip massaging. I love to massage my scalp. Like, I massage my scalp every day. Honestly, every blessed day I massage my scalp, and that is why I purchased that electric massager. Just in case you need one, please check on my website for the electric massager, should in case you need that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on my next video shortly by God's grace. Bye.